In today's video, I will walk you through how to find Telegram channels using a bot. Using Telegram's built-in search bar can feel like hitting a brick wall when you're hunting for a specific channel or community. Standard searches only pull up popular public names, leaving thousands of valuable archives completely hidden. What if you could bypass the app's limitations entirely using automated search bots? In under 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to find any channel on Telegram using powerful indexing bots. Let's jump right in. Because Telegram's internal algorithm is restricted, developers created dedicated search bots that act as deep database aggregators. Open your Telegram and head to the search bar. Look for verified or widely trusted indexing bots, like @Searchybot. Tap on the bot and press Start to initialize the chat interface. After that, you can choose your preferred language. Then you can now search for categories you're interested in. These bots pull data from massive, updated registries of public and unlisted channels that standard app searches fail to index. Select the channel that interests you. Telegram will open the channel preview, allowing you to read its description and view recent posts. Take a moment to confirm that it's the channel you're looking for before joining. If you're satisfied with the channel, select the Join button to subscribe. Once you've joined, new posts from that channel will begin appearing in your Telegram chat list. Keep in mind that channel search bots can only help you discover public channels. Private channels are not indexed by these bots and cannot be searched unless you have a valid invitation link or you've been added by an administrator. It's also a good idea to use well-known and trustworthy bots. Before interacting with any bot, review its profile, read its description, and avoid sharing personal information or granting unnecessary permissions. A legitimate search bot should only require your search keywords to help you find public channels. If one bot doesn't return the results you need, you can try another channel discovery bot or search using different keywords. Sometimes changing your search terms or using a broader category can help you find additional public channels related to your interests. And that's how to find Telegram channels using a bot. By using a trusted channel search bot and searching with the right keywords, you can quickly discover public channels that match your interests while keeping your account secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.